Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to be talking about logarithmic functions. So let's begin. Part 1. F of x is equal to log base 2 of x. And what we need to do is we need to draw the logarithmic function of f of x is equal to log base 2 of x. And here's the solution. Now, for this case, x is going to have to be 1/4, 1/2, 1, 2, and 4. So what will psi be? The Greek letter psi be. So the way we're going to solve it is we're going to replace the x that is right here with the 1/4. So f of 1/4 is equal to, so here we have log base 2 of x, so we're going to replace it. So we're going to replace the x with 1/4. So log base 2 of 1/4. Now, so 4 is equal to 2 squared, and so that's why it's going to be log base 2 of 1/2 squared. And the reason we're doing this is because since we have 1/2 squared, we can change it to a negative number because that's how math works. So this is gonna turn into log base 2 of this 2 right here, log base 2, and since it's a division, the exponent is gonna turn into a negative number. So log base 2 of 2 to the power of -2. And all we need to do now is just to move the negative 2 to the front. So -2 right there. And log base 2 of 2. Now, basically what this asks us is, what is 2 to the power of what is equal to 2? The answer is very obvious, it's 1. So 1. So -2 times 1 equals -2. So that is going to be the value for the Greek letter psi. So we're going to write the number right here. So that obviously means that 1/2 is going to obviously be 2 times -2, which is -1. 1 is going to be 0, and then basically what we're doing is we're just gonna keep on adding 1, so it's +1 every time. So 0 plus 1. Actually, it's actually times 2. We're multiplying times 2 because all these numbers are 2 times of the number that is on the left. So of course 1 is an exception because under of it has to be 0. Because if you replace 1/4 with 1 and solve it the exact way that I did, you end up with 0. Because anything m to the power of 0 is equal to 1. It can be any number. So 1 will always be 0. Next we have 2, so it's 1. And 4, since 4 is 2 times 2, we're going to do 1 times 2, and that will make the answer be 2. And all we have to do now is just to draw the graph, which is going to be, I think this is a good spot. Yep. So here we're going to have the c values, and here we're going to have the x values. So the x values were 1/4, 1/2. Somewhere here should be 1, 2, and around here should be 4. And right here, 2, 1, 0, -1, and -2, just writing the values of c. And now all we do is just to connect these numbers. So under 1/4 is 2. So we're gonna connect it, and just like this. Under 1/2 is -1. So we're gonna well, actually 1/4 was supposed to be like this. So, sorry, I made a mistake. The end is where it was supposed to be. 1/2 is supposed to be 1/2 right here. 1 is just 0, so we don't write anything. 2 is with 1, so we connect it there. And 4 is with 2. And all we have to do now is just put the dots and connect the dots just like this. And that's the graph. Like this video for part 2.